Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be unboxing 8-minute challenge. It's set. Now I'm done buying it, so that's why I'm going to be unboxing. But
Okay.
where was it anyways?
Let's take a look.
I'm gonna go get it. Here it is. Whoa, what's this?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
What do I have in front of me? A car
That's a crazy.
and a rainbow.
Are you talking about this?
The shaking head, kiddo. What's her name? It's Jessie K.
Jessica. Yum, I
And?
want to see her. And we even have
Rainbow
a
corn,
little Chelsea mobile.
puppy corn,
Puppy corn.
and the surprise doll. Wait. This surprise doll look like a bit Halloween-ish.
This is for Halloween.
Okay.
And we even going to unbox a new Polly Pocket. No
Oh,
joke.
Let me see. Polly Pocket.
So?
And what else? What is it there? What is it there?
A Chelsea mobile.
Oh, okay.
So let's start opening the Chelsea mobile first.
Is it Chelsea? Really? Okay, let me see.
Not really. Sometimes her name is different than that. You can see all. Ooh, so cute. I just love it.
Wow, so many things.
Let's unscrew the cat. Here's the Chelsea doll. She looks so funny when does this head. So first, let's remember. Don't go. I will just go fill up some water. Then after that, I will review our things.
Okay.
Blinders before we put the Chelsea doll in. Now, where's my scissor over here? I don't really know how to open things that good. I see you guys.
What is
to
it
write
inside?
down the comments whether you can open a coon like that. Oh, a coon skirt. I don't know what it is. This must be, I don't know. What is it? I don't know. Now we better use the scissors. Sometimes it can be a hair, you know. Yes, it is a hair. Who it is?
Wow.
I think I know who it is. Maybe I have that mommy. But it said I lost her hair. Is it? Just big video. Now this one open. Let's open these small blinders. I don't know what's this. This is so flat. You know, flat as a flat mold. Cool glasses. Where's I gonna have it as human size?
Is it glasses? Can I see?
So funny. So weird. So cute. I don't know which one got the dolly, you know. Sometimes I'm a little bit confused. Like, what's the dolly? Where's the dolly? Oh, her shoes.
Okay, you got everything but the dolly.
Is that for the dolly? I'm so excited to see what color she looks like anyway.
Careful.
Careful on the dolly. Alright,
Let me see. Show it closer.
I'm here. I'm just,
Oh, okay.
blue. Can I pick out my colors?
Yeah, sure.
I can still move my head, my arms, and my legs. You can see that.
Okay.
There we go,
So
inside the
you
wall.
say it's going to change color, is it?
Yeah. That's
What do you need to do that?
I want to put it upside down and get it out of the top. It's so cute. I just squirt it up.
Okay, the water getting pretty blue.
Let's-
And then, did she change it to golden or something?
Nope.
The
I
water
bet
is
I add
getting
too much
very,
water, I
very
bet.
blue.
Yep. Stay neat. See this?
Wow, she looks a bit rainbow.
Just going.
Oh,
I don't know how you look like, but they.
this looks interesting. She looks quite golden.
She got a
isn't it?
star. You need to get more shaking.
Wow, she got some pattern on her clothes also, right?
Yep. Spin around in my golden sun. But Stacy's kind of wet, so
Can I take a close look?
on her. But first, let me go dry it. Then you can able to have a closer look. Now, where's that tea suit? I mean, that crazy tea suit. Guys, remember, don't ever say that word. That's not good. Like, just whisper. I never whispered before. Like, just how to whisper. Like, I just I just say very loud, like la 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 la. Remember, don't use a microphone to say loud things like bang. Please don't say that. You want to say some loud noise in front of me. Whoops.
Okay, now.
I'm super scared. Why do we have a hole in our head? Just in case.
Oh, that's nice.
Just like
Okay, that's the hair.
I think.
Then what else do we have?
Oh, we have here. Hey, my hand. See, color too. See? Yeah, I guess I'm okay like this. But I want to see the instruction paper a little. I'm just curious. Wait a minute. I think I know what I got. Daddy? See this? This is her little
Show me,
sister.
closer.
See?
Closer. Can I see?
This is her little sister.
Oh, okay.
That Barbie is her little sister, huh? I forgot about that Barbie. Renee, you're a big sister.
So you are saying that we have this.
Yeah,
This is the one?
yeah,
Is it the one?
totally.
Okay.
Now we better add her shoes. Her shoes are pretty tight too. They never tight before, but this one is very tight. I never have a little sister before. I never had like that little sister. Sorry, before. Like, let me just wear her skirt right now. Like, I never know what. I never see a real dog. Please, like this one. So she's just adorable, but I don't know what she changed into, like. Just like girl. Like, a lot of accessory is her glasses.
Okay, can I have a closer look now?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, the sunglass is star shapes.
Yep. Totally matching.
And your thighs is so golden with a pink color shirt and rainbow color hair extension.
Yep.
That's so nice.
Now let's
Okay,
get
so
to the
this is
second.
your first item you
Yeah.
got from the 8-minute challenge,
My
right?
first one.
Okay.
So now let's do the second review. Let's
Okay.
see.
What is the
I'm
second
going
one
to
that you
do
have?
the second review will be totally easy Polly Pocket.
Can I see? Can I see? Wait. Let me
Oh,
see. Let
yeah.
me see. Okay.
Let's start opening.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have a car and there's some chairs and is there an ice cream truck?
Yes.
Oh yes.
Let's
Okay.
get unpackaging. Unpackaging is just a usual word, but you can say unpackaging. That's a good word. Only when you're doing video. No, when you are not doing a video. You're not, all your parents will laugh at you.
Okay.
It might be a little embarrassing, you know. Sometimes you need to pull your Polly leg.
Hey, you need to show me close. I cannot see your Polly pocket.
Very closely.
Okay, slowly. Don't shake. Okay. Well, I guess.
Now let's do the truck. This door actually open. This truck is really stuck in there. The chair can easily come out really. This is our first item. Item.
Okay, there's a table and a chair. Okay.
Now the ice cream sign. The ice cream sign very easy, you know. Just need to like this. Just
Okay.
save it like this. Now
So that's how you set up the ice cream. Okay.
Now this ice cream truck. But some things might be upside down, you know. Things can be upside downy. But you know that when you open it, it's like you have lots of flavors of ice cream in here. You can see that.
See? Can you show
Ah,
closer?
Okay. Some ice cream things.
Oh, okay, ice creams. Okay, then what is the white box here?
This?
On the blue roof.
The blue.
What is this?
Oh, this is the popsicle place where you put all the
Can you give it to me?
popsicles. Here. So you get to move side to side. So this is my.
So wait, let me see here. We have a popsicle and then
This is me.
this is many flavor ice cream, isn't it?
Yeah. Now can you give me back?
Okay. And the cash register.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Now, she better get driving or else she will be late.
I thought she already set up the shop here.
Nope, she forgot. To set up more things set up.
Okay. But your Jessie is still sleeping after she got shake up so much in the blue water. She is sleeping.
Now, let's do the second of the 8-minute challenge.
Okay.
I'm going to do this cool never though.
Okay.
How do I open it anyway? I just never opened it before. Okay, I may need some of these scissors.
Slowly go.
I just use my hand. So this is my first layer.
Oh, there's a pink ball inside. Okay. Can I see what is this?
A Smokey Award. Ghost Award.
Can you show?
Award.
Okay, there's a ghost.
That means it's avoid ghost.
Yeah, I cannot see. Yeah.
That means ghost.
Oh,
That means avoid
Okay.
the ghost.
the golden #1 award for the ghost. Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah.
So this is the Hollywood ghost, is it? He got the Academy or Oscar.
It can either be a girl or boy. It's gonna guess, but normally in the older set, there's lots of girls, not that much boy. Satisfying. Ooh, this looks like a pumpkin. So funny.
Is it? Oh, okay. Okay, this is a pink cute pumpkin. Wow. Okay.
I'm super strong. Look at my woolly muscles.
This is the time for the Halloween, isn't it?
Yep.
But
No, it's not really time for Halloween.
it's a pink pumpkin. Okay.
You can see this layer. Like I don't know what I have. This must be the layer. These are all the accessories for her. This one you just need to turn it. I think I know what I have.
Is it
No,
like
it's the one.
Catwoman?
Yes, there's a cat woman. You can exactly see it from outside.
There's a cat baby. A cat LOL.
Yeah. This must be her dress.
Okay.
I can tell. I don't know what's inside. You know, like sometimes you get me. These two lollies, I matched the outside things. So happy. So happy. Maybe next time I'm putting it like just I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with it.
Looks like a very cute cat, isn't it?
Yeah.
What is it? What is it?
It's a juice bottle.
Oh, okay.
So funny when
It's
I
a
put it.
pink glittery juice bottle.
Yeah. And I don't know what's this. This feels very normal. I can't feel it at all. Maybe it's a necklace. I don't know. I'm right. It's her golden necklace.
Okay.
Let's put it here. I don't remember she have a necklace. Let me see it again.
Did you forget something?
Yes, she do have a necklace.
You haven't opened this. Okay. Finally, this is the star of the show.
Oh, hang. Make sure to land on my favorite cat. Do you like cats? Yeah, cats are my most favorite. You can see my photo. How come you always match the outside? Not the different than outside, like just like, how do you match it? Tell me. You can never think. I'm not really smart. How like what? This is her top. Like sometimes my hand like get a little like.
Wow, this is so cute.
Like get over with.
She's decked up in all pink.
Yeah,
Very,
pinkish.
very cute.
Now it's
Catwoman.
time for her all pinkish things. Everyone like it. That's why everyone buy these balls. For no reason. They like it. Totally, I don't know how to put on the shoes. Totally, just horrible. And I don't know how to put on the shoes. Do anyone know how to put on the shoes? Like, just write down in the comments below.
Just
Maybe
like
next time you
this.
can say comment. Just so crazy. But never follow me, you know, everyone would laugh at you guys. I'm just acting funny. For no reason, just everyone need to laugh. Make it like someone need to play a challenge. How to not laugh, like without laughing. And I do my channel. And last but not least, her cat ears. My hand is all sparkly with glitter.
How can you not all sparkly with such a pink sparkly LOL doll? Okay, let me see this little girl. She looks so cute. Okay.
Now, I'm so excited for more of my things. But
Okay.
now let's do this.
How many things you have picked up, huh? 3 things already. They haven't finished. Okay.
6 things.
8 minutes you pick up 6. That's
More
that's
than
a lot.
enough.
Yes, I think.
Yeah, this one I don't know how.
I think this one you need a scissors. You need to cut it.
Yeah, I better.
Slowly. slowly, slowly though.
I never cut this
your
type of one.
hand.
I'm just new to this. Like,
Wait.
are you done?
Okay.
So I managed to open this. Whoa. Such a relief, we are safe. Wait, she's not ready for school. Is that her bum have a hole? Her bum
Okay, so is it the last item yet?
Nope.
Oh no.
Just one more big box. Then one more. Then we are all done with this challenge.
Okay. One more time.
This one I just need like a scissors.
Yes.
Oh, it should look like this.
Okay. It's like a little necklace, isn't it?
No.
And a small, cute little unicorn. Is it a unicorn?
Yep.
Or is it some...
It's some kind of bracelet, you know.
That's so squishy. Is it squishy?
Nope. Very hard.
It's very hard. Okay. Can I take a close look?
Yeah. Totally cute.
Okay. Oh, it looks like a little doggy Kong. Purple color
Wait, this one?
unicorn, is it?
Hey, what? How
I
come?
don't
This is...
think. No. Later, okay.
Hey,
I don't
there's
think I can
something.
take it out. Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, I didn't know. I thought this cannot take out. Oh, so you can scratch it up. Oh, okay. Let me see.
I think we need something for this.
No, you just need to scratch. Yeah, just scratch.
Scratch.
Oh, okay. This is scratch to reveal.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Rose. To pretend like it's real.
Is it a coconut?
No. Yeah, but I guess it is a coconut. She loves coconut.
Okay.
Now I get it.
That's why she looks so white, like the inside of the coconut.
Yeah. She's totally a coconut girl. Come on, buddy. Keep on digging. Let's keep on digging and see the coconut closer.
Oh.
Come on, get it off. You can see that it's coming off.
Yeah, the scratch thing is like that. You need to scratch slowly, and slowly. Oh, even have an umbrella on the coconut and a little flower.
When I'm done scratching, then you know that I will do something. But when I do something, you should not off the video yet because it's important.
Okay.
Here it is. And also, so now make sure to like and subscribe to my video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.